Hi guys, I'm Raunak. The opening of WWE WrestleMania pay-per-view shocked everyone as Brock Lesnar destroyed John Cena and emerged as the winner. The Beast executed multiple F5 on franchise player and pinned him to score the victory. However, before the match, Paul Heyman and Brock Lesnar reunited as the Oracle came out to introduce the Beast at WrestleMania pay-per-view. A couple of days ago on the SmackDown, Brock Lesnar and Paul Heyman appeared in a backstage segment where the mayor of Suplex City wanted to speak to his former advocate, Paul Heyman. In this video, I'll mention 3 reasons why Paul Heyman and Brock Lesnar are back together. So let's get started without wasting any time. At SummerSlam 2025 pay-per-view, Brock Lesnar made his return after a hiatus of almost 2 years. Many believe that this could be the final run of the veteran in the sports entertainment juggernaut. Considering this, the Lesnar and Heyman reunion might be done to initiate a one last reunion for the iconic duo. As of now, Paul Heyman is part of Seth Rollins' Vision faction. Despite this, the reunion on SmackDown and at WrestleMania pay-per-view is enough to say that their one last get-together has started in WWE. WWE Survivor Series 2025 will again witness the theme of War Games. This means that 2 teams will clash on the 2 rings inside the steel cages. The Oracle's reunion with Brock Lesnar could be part of his master plan for Survivor Series 2025 pay-per-view. The Hall of Famer might have done the favor to get Brock Lesnar on his side ahead of potential War Games match. The Vision already has major enemies, including CM Punk, Roman Reigns, The Usos, and LA Knight. With this alliance at WrestleMania pay-per-view, WWE can set the stage for a massive match at Survivor Series 2025 pay-per-view, where the Beast can join forces with the Vision against the Babyface team. Braun Breaker is connected to Paul Heyman as both are members of the Vision. The reunion of the Oracle and the Beast might set the stage for a future showdown between Brock Lesnar and Braun Breaker. Paul Heyman sharing the stage with his former client might not be appreciated by the new big dog. Therefore, the former NXT champion may decide to face Brock Lesnar, leading to a dream match between these two over the services of Paul Heyman. This storyline will put the Vision in the spotlight and make Braun Breaker a big deal among the WWE. So guys, I'm a big fan of Brock Lesnar. Let me know who do you support most. So if you like this video, then leave a like, hit the comment and subscribe this channel, and check the other videos and share this video with your friends, relatives and with your favorite ones. I'll be back with an interesting video. Thanks for watching this and see ya.